All right, everybody. We are up here in South Pittsburg, Tennessee.
Yes, indeed.
Home of the National Cornbread Festival. That's where we're going to be setting up for this weekend. We're going to spend the whole weekend up here. Up here on a Friday. Everybody's getting set up behind us here.
And let me just say, if you like cornbread, you're going to want to come to this.
Yeah, I've never seen so many different kinds of cornbread that they've got advertised up here in my life.
Cornbread contests, cornbread sales. I mean, they have a thing called Cornbread Alley, so it's cornbread everything, and Lodge Cast Iron. Yeah,
the Lodge Cast Iron store is right up here. They are having tours this weekend for this festival. Now, this festival's been canceled the last 2 years. Last time it was open was 2019.
Yep.
Even the Lodge Cast Iron has been closed for tours, but they're opening it up for this weekend. So this is the first festival post-COVID up here in this area.
We're super excited.
Hoping it's huge, absolutely. And like I say, she's talking about Cornbread Alley. They got where you can pay a flat fee and just try all different kinds of cornbread. And like I said, the list is too long for me to even try to mention a portion of them. So.
Oh, and it's things you wouldn't even imagine, guys. We're not talking just plain cornbread.
Oh no! It's not just plain cornbread. It's everything but probably.
Yes, everything except plain cornbread. Although I'm sure they have just some regular plain butter cornbread too.
And like I say, Lodge is sponsoring this. Bush Beans. So they got some big, huge sponsors here. They're going to have some big name acts here this weekend. Merle Haggard's son's going to be here performing. Gosh, I wish I could.
There's too many to remember. There's 3 different stages set up here, guys. So there's all kinds of things going on.
So we're going to try to get some of this. It's such a big festival. We decided to post this one. I know we haven't been posting a lot of festivals we've been going to lately because it kind of gets the same thing over and over. But this one's definitely not the same as the other one. This is huge.
No, very different.
And so, well, like I said, we're just setting up today. The big event starts tomorrow morning. And so I'll try to get the camera out, walk around, show you some of the sights, sounds, and smells. If you had smell-o-vision.
Well, and obviously, guys, by the time we put this video out, you're not going to be able to make it to this year's event.
No.
But you're definitely going to want to put it on your calendars and look for it next year. It's the same time every year.
And I don't know how many years this has been going on, but
it's been a bunch. This is the 25th anniversary.
25th?
Yeah, 25 years.
So it's been going on for a lot of years, and so it's around for the long haul. And so we're excited about it. Can't wait to show you what's going on.
Yep.
Martha White is one of the sponsors here, and you want to make some cornbread? Here's the recipe for you. I paint right on one of the side windows here in one of the little shops. Can't beat that.
Yeah. Push back, I'm tired of feeling broken. Truth rings louder than emotion. Take time, remember what it means to love. Yeah. Here's another chance to see the change we need. See a miracle when we walk these streets. Living life in the light, redefining the land of the free. I can feel it, there's something in the water. Anything is possible. Come on and move like the power of the ring.
Alright guys, here we are next day. You can kind of see where all the vendors are set up. Some of them's getting ready to open up for the morning here. And we're down multiple different streets. Main stage down this street. Let me back off a little bit here. Hey, look who we brought with us. High Tire Crafts is with us. But that's the main stage where Merle Haggard's sons, I think Rhonda Vince is going to be there. A few others, like I said, I can't remember all their names, but if we get a chance, I'll try to get down in there and get some footage. The other night there was so many people here at the concert the other night, I couldn't get any footage. I couldn't get close, and I didn't bring my zoom lens, but as you can see, here's where they're doing all the t-shirt sales for the National Cornbread Festival. Again, it's 25th anniversary. You can see they're set all the way up down Main Street. Carnival's at all the way to the very other end of this street here, and then each cross street there's vendors down it for a block each way too. So got some cool stuff going on, guys. Again, I know by the time this video comes out this will already be over this year, but plan on coming back next year. There's plenty to see or do. I'll do a little walkthrough with my other camera earlier and kind of show you some of the vendors here so you can kind of see what kind of stuff they have. And it's definitely worth coming checking out. We tried out all the cornbread. They had the cornbread sampler, $8. You get to sample all the different kind of cornbreads. And again, it was awesome. And they give you the recipe for all of them too. So if you like one of them or all of them, you can go home and end up making yourself. So I thought that was a pretty cool little touch. They have this whole children's zone set up. It's all completely fenced in, so any little ones can't just run off and get lost. One way in, one way out. They don't have all the blow-ups and everything up right now because it's the first thing in the morning. Everybody's just now getting here, setting everything back up. But it's really neat, and it's included with your price of admission. They don't charge extra for this for the kids, and so I thought that was a nice touch. Gives the kids, you know, something so they're not just bored to death while they're here either.
I found a diamond, I found a gem, I found the answer without pencil or pen. I saw you standing there, surrounded by your friends. I knew right then that I would know you till the world would end. I think that we could make a little bit of magic together. I think I've known it from the start. Come on baby, let me take you away. Take a little trip wherever, on a plane or on a train or on a spaceship to the stars. Take my hand, say you will take this chance, and with one dance, be still my heart, be still my heart, be still my heart, be still my heart. I wanna take you dancing, I wanna meet your mom, I wanna kiss you on the beach in the sand, watching the setting sun. I wanna feel forever in a single touch. I wanna make sure that you know just how much I think that we could make a little bit of magic together. I think I've known it from the start. Come on baby, let me take you away. Take a little trip wherever, on a plane or on a train or on a spaceship to the stars. Take my hand, say you will take this chance, and with one dance, be still my heart, be still my heart, be still my heart, be still my heart. Take my hand, say you will take this chance, and with this dance, be still my heart, be still my heart, be still my heart, be still my heart, be still my heart. Take my
All right, here's where they do the National Cornbread Cook-Off, where they have all the competitions, see who can make the best different kind of cornbreads and everything. See it's set up over on stage there, where they're actually cooking up there on stage. Pretty neat to come check out, guys. And right here's one of the main gates right here, guys. Notice, well, the bus just pulled off, but they do have bus and shuttle service here. It is free parking, and so there's plenty of parking around the town here that you can park to. And if you're too far away, they will shuttle you in on a bus. I don't have my zoom lens, but if you look way back here in the background, there's a yellow building right back there. It's about a block away, about a block past that railroad track right there. That is actually the Lodge factory store, where you can go in there and buy all your Lodge cast iron. And they do have like a little blemish section where you can get a lot of stuff half off. And so pretty good buys in there if you're ever up here and want to check it out. Hey everybody, we are finally wrapping up here at the National Cornbread Festival. We're actually driving home, if you can't tell. We're tired.
We're hot, we're stinky, we're tired.
It's been a very, very busy weekend, but it was a great show.
We had a good time.
Yeah, we had a good time. Again, we'd never had set up there before, so it was our first time there, but it was really cool. Like I say, I went around, tried to kind of show some of the other vendors, show some of the sites. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, for sure, again, like I say, they'll do it again next year. They do it every year. This is the 25th anniversary. I know I've mentioned that a couple of times. So by all means, if that's something you like, they do have I think I mentioned they have the Lodge factory store up there. We got some really good deals while we was in there.
Yeah.
During the festival, they actually have a special sale, and so they had a lot of stuff half off, and so we got some really, really good deals on that. So again, I hope you enjoy the sights and sounds. You know, I showed you as much as we could. I wish I could have got more of the performances up on the main stage, but man, the night performance was just so crowded, I couldn't get anywhere near it, and I didn't have my zoom lens, so I just didn't feel like you could have really saw anything. But they did had some big names there, which was awesome. A lot of people came just for the concert. So again, check us out each week. We're fixing to get in some more trouble here real soon. We got some other shows coming up. When we got, we kind of hinted at our last show that we might be looking at some investment properties down in Orlando. So we're actually getting ready to head down and make a trip down to Orlando. Try to look at some different things. We'll show you as much as we can there. I don't know if we'll have permission to record the ones we're seeing or not. We have to be careful there, and we don't want to invade anybody's privacy that may still be living in those places. But if they're empty and we get the okay, we'll show you what we're looking at. If not, we'll tell you as much as we can about it and let you know how our process goes. So,
yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so make sure, if you hadn't already, please subscribe, because it does help us out. And tune in every week. Hopefully we'll have the next couple of weeks, we'll have some cool stuff coming up.
We'll see you guys again real soon.
See you next time, guys.
Bye.